Is it time to buy or sell Lowe stock? In this video, we will explore Lowe's in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and detailed analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 4th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Lowe's as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 5.43. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a gain of approximately 10%. This translates to an average return of about 0.75% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The stock has broken through a significant upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. Should there be any pullback, there will now be support at the ceiling of the trend that was broken at $242.22, a level that may present a second opportunity for growth. According to fan theory, $259.35 will be the next possible peak, representing a resistance level that may prove difficult to surpass on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 11% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of nearly 3% to an increase of about 5%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 16.85%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between a decline of 37.42% and negative 21.56% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $160.91 and $201.71. Our latest daily update for Lowe's features the headline, Lowe's stock upgraded from buy candidate to strong buy candidate after Wednesday's trading session. The Lowe's stock price increased by approximately 0.3% on the last trading day, moving from $256.36 to $257.14. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.05%, ranging from a low of $256.45 to a high of $266.84. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and has increased by nearly 8% over the past 2 weeks. There was a notable increase in trading volume on the last day, which combined with the price rise is a positive technical indicator. In total, 1 million more shares were traded than the day before, with 5 million shares being bought and sold for about $1.34 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $287.01, while the lowest price was $206.39. Currently, the price stands at 10.41%, or $29.87, below the 52-week high of $287.01. which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Lowe's reported a positive outcome in the second quarter of 2025, with same-store sales increasing year-over-year, profit rising, and cash flow remaining stable. Following the closure of the Artisan Design Group deal, the company raised its full-year guidance. Management also completed the significantly larger foundation building materials acquisition, marking a transformative move deeper into the professional channel, which is expected to unlock substantial cross-selling opportunities and scale advantages. Despite an increase in leverage, Lowe's continues to return capital to shareholders, and the stock still trades at a notable discount compared to its peers. In the short term, the positive earnings results and acquisition news should bolster the share price. A rise in positive sentiment is anticipated. However, broader market weaknesses or concerns regarding deal integration and increased leverage could limit gains. In the long term, the effective execution of the foundation building materials integration and sustained traction in the professional market could bring Lowe's share price closer to its peers, enhance margins, and support higher valuations. Conversely, integration challenges, a downturn in the housing market, or rising interest rates could put pressure on earnings and valuations. Overall, while the catalysts for growth are evident, execution and macroeconomic risks persist. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Lowe an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Lowe a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 24th of March, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Lowe an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned Lowe a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Lowe a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Lowe's stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Lowe's. Mostly positive signals are present in the chart today. The Lowe's stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $252.96 and $232.55. A decline below any of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, July 15, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by approximately 19.59%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots buy signal from 27 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 23 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 21 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 16 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 17 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Lowe's. Lowe's finds support from accumulated volume at $256.33, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support level is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $10.39 between its high and low points, representing a change of 4.05%. During the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.85%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Lowe's, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 20th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $4.23. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Lowe's. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may consider entering a position and using volume to help determine the right moment to exit. On the downside, Lowe's encounters its first support level at $256.33. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Lowe's from multiple analyst sources is sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 30th of June, 2025, Alvarez Ralph conducted an insider purchase of 140,848 shares of phantom stock. On the 30th of June, 2025, Douglas Lowe Z conducted an insider purchase of 67,607 shares of phantom stock. On the 30th of June, 2025, Drailing Richard W. conducted an insider purchase of 247,893 shares of phantom stock. On the 30th of June, 2025, Rogers Brian C. conducted an insider purchase of 112,679 shares of phantom stock. On the 30th of June, Simpkins Lawrence conducted an insider purchase of 112,679 shares of phantom stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 37.139. Overall, insiders purchased 384,238 shares and sold 179,801 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $248.71, indicating a decrease of 3.28%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, which suggests a moderate level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index is 86, significantly heightening the risk factor. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 26 days ago. Is Lowe stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are positive, and the stock has broken through its upward trend, suggesting an even stronger momentum. We conclude that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Lowe stock to perform well in the short term. Our analysis has been upgraded from a buy to a strong buy candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 21st of August, we anticipate that Lowe's will open higher by $3, starting at $260.14. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.